Welcome back to Miss Lucy English Channel. Today, you will learn English tenses in a simple way. This lesson is easy. This lesson is slow. This lesson is for beginners. You do not need to take notes now. Just listen and understand. Let's begin. What are tenses? In English, tenses tell us time. They tell us when something happens. We talk about the present, the past, and the future. Today, we will learn the most important tenses with easy examples. 1. Present simple tense. We use the present simple to talk about daily routines, habits, and things that are always true. Listen carefully. Examples. I wake up at 7 a.m. I eat breakfast every day. I go to work in the morning. Now listen to a short story. Mina wakes up early. She drinks coffee. She goes to work. These sentences talk about daily life. They are in the present simple tense. More examples. I like tea. She likes coffee. We live in a city. They work in an office. When you talk about your daily life, use present simple. 2. Present continuous tense. Now let's learn the present continuous tense. We use it to talk about what is happening now, or what someone is doing at this moment. We use am, is, are, plus verb, plus ing. Listen to the examples. I am listening to English. She is cooking dinner. They are waiting for the bus. Now listen to a short scene. Mina is sitting at the bus stop. She is looking at her phone. She is waiting for the bus. This means the action is happening right now. More examples. I am studying English now. He is working today. We are watching a movie. Present simple tense versus present continuous. Listen carefully to the difference. I work in an office. This is my job. I am working now. This is happening now. I eat breakfast at 7. This is my routine. I am eating breakfast now. This is happening now. This difference is very important. Number 3. Past simple tense. Now, let's talk about the past. We use the past simple to talk about yesterday, last night, last week, things that are finished. Examples. Yesterday, I woke up early. I went to work. I came home late. Now listen to a short story. Yesterday, Mina was very busy. She woke up at 6 a.m. She took the bus. She worked all day. These actions are finished, so we use the past simple tense. More examples. I watched TV last night. She cooked dinner. We studied English yesterday. They played football. regular and irregular verbs. Some past verbs are easy. Work becomes worked. Play becomes played. Watch becomes watched. Some verbs are different. Go becomes went. Eat becomes ate. See becomes saw. You will learn these slowly. Do not worry. 4. Future, going to. Now let's talk about the future. We use going to talk about plans, things we decide before. Examples: I am going to study English tonight. She is going to cook dinner. They are going to travel tomorrow. Listen to a story. Tomorrow, Mina is going to wake up early. She is going to go to work. She is going to have a meeting. These things are in the future. Simple future with will. We also use will for the future. We use will for quick decisions, promises. Examples: I will help you. I will call you later. Don't worry, I will be there. Easy tense summary. Listen and remember. Present simple, daily life. Present continuous, happening now. Past simple, finished actions. Going to, future plans. Will, quick future decisions. Practice listening, very important. Listen carefully. I wake up at 7. I am listening to English now.